You're so active today.
You're getting too excited.
Yep. He's more interested in saying good morning to me.
Yes.
Ooh, you're cute in that morning light like that. Look, Coho. Rollo's gonna go play fetch outside, and you can play fetch right here. Bring it here. Good boy, good boy. You ready? Good boy. Look who wants to play fetch. Ready? Good boy, Rollo. Or Coho. Okay, Coho, you ready to play fetch? What you got there? Want to play fetch? Here it comes. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. You ready? Get it. Rollo's playing fetch outside and you're playing fetch inside, Coho. You ready? You ready? Hi, Sadie. Bring it here, Coho. Come on. Good boy. Good boy. You ready? Whew. Bring it here. I think Sadie wants to play fetch outside. Good boy, Coho. You ready? Get it. Bring it here. Good boy. Woo. Hi, Sadie. Good old puppy. Good boy, Coho. Good boy. I'm going to offer it to Sadie. Oh, he wants to chew on Rollo's bone. Whoop. Good burp, Sadie. Here, look. Whoop. That was a slick move. Good boy. You're so proud of yourself. You gonna give it to Sadie to play with? You're gonna share? Look, Sadie, look at the kitty brought you. Whoop. Good boy, Coho. That's a good kitty. Where's the toy, Sadie? You started printing. Rollo's not sure about this. He's leaving.
What's going on, Rollo? What is that?
Does that make you nervous, the new printer in the cabin? He's like, printers should not be in cabins. That implies work. Who's purring? Did Mama get you a new toy? Check it out. Look what she got at the thrift store. She says she's addicted, kitty. And it's to your fortune. You're getting so tall. Oh, look at you. He really likes it, Karen. Good job. She found it at the thrift store before it even had a price tag, so she scarfed it right from their shelf as soon as they put it out. Where's your toy, Rollo?
Where's your toy?
Where's your toy?
He's curious.
They say German Shepherds are smart, but he doesn't know his toy is underneath his vast feet.
No, he's more interested in
Oh, he wants to know about these question and answers.
Yes.
So Rollo's waiting for your questions, people. Actually, I should give a quick couple of tidbits that will answer your questions right away. And then we have 3 daughters. They're all adults. Karen and I are married. We got new jobs this year, which we changed. We made a career life change, which all of our videos talks about. And we love it, loving life. I'm flying air medical, and Karen's become a paraprofessional for a school district and closed her daycare. And that was in our house, and we've renovated our house. So check out our videos from the last few months, starting in June. You'll see our house transform from being a full-time daycare to being just our home for the first time ever. We have 3 adult daughters. Kate has Rollo. That's her son. That's my grandson. And Callie, our oldest daughter, has Lily. You've seen Lily in our other videos. It's a pit lab mix, black dog, just wonderful puppies. These girls really picked them well. We have Sadie, so that's our 3 dogs. And then for the cats, in fact, the 3 dogs, if we're sitting by the fire, it's 3 dog night. Music group. Kate's confused.
Yeah.
You guys, she doesn't know a 3 dog night. I have failed. I have the record. I'll play the record. And then...
I'm not very good at throwing things.
Yeah, she looked like she was like harvesting corn or something. I don't know what. I wouldn't know what harvesting corn looks like. Oh, and we have 3 cats. 2 of our cats live at home. The kitten travels with me back and forth. He's supposed to stay here permanently, but I haven't done that yet, and he's forming a very close alliance with our Mason, our other cat. So
there's free kittens there's a free kitten sign in Park Rapids.
Free kittens?
Uh-huh.
Ooh, we should send Mom that way.
Yeah.
When she gets an orange tabby, it'll be a done deal.
Yes.
She almost had one at a garage sale last year. But anyway, that's the question and answer session invitation for you guys. Beautiful day to be out on the canoe. Late fall or late summer, we have a lot of lily pads. And in Minnesota, these lily pads are protected by the Department of Natural Resources. So you can't pull the lily pads, you can't even pluck a lily flower and bring it home and put it in a vase. That is highly illegal. So you just have to row out and take a close-up look at it. While you're there, the turtles and frogs will hang out with you. Yesterday, a turtle chased my lure, and then in my yard I found a frog that had 1 leg. I didn't have the phone in my pocket, otherwise I would have gotten a picture. And he navigated just fine for not having a leg. He was missing a leg. You could see it was chomped off.
He had 3 legs and missing one.
Right, what did I say?
You said he had 1 leg.
He had 1 leg missing, I meant. Right there's the lily flower. That's illegal to pick. Look at Karen found as we were rowing by. We pulled right up and there's a nice lure hanging out here. It's got rattles inside. Must be a good one. There, we'll keep it. There, that's exactly where Coho likes to be. He just came running out of the bathroom where he ate his dinner and he jumped right up on Karen. So Karen, you have your very own kitten.
I do.
Coho loves you.
He does. He's cutie.